Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've set the stage, let's take a look at the heavy-duty trucks that changed the game over the years. From groundbreaking engine technology to design advancements, these trucks reshaped American trucking and set the standards for decades to come. Let's jump right in. By the late 1960s, companies like Peterbilt, Kenworth, and Mack were leading the charge in producing heavy-duty trucks capable of carrying substantial loads over long distances. These companies introduced innovations like air brakes, which improved stopping power and safety, and sleeper cabs, which allowed truckers to rest during long drives. The trucks of the Golden Age became larger, more powerful, and far more sophisticated, equipped with better suspension systems, advanced cooling technologies, and improved transmissions that allowed for smoother shifting and greater durability. Technological advancements and design changes as the trucking industry matured. The 1970s and 1980s saw a boom in both technology and design. Trucks were increasingly being used for specialized purposes, including the transportation of hazardous materials, refrigerated goods, and oversized loads. This required manufacturers to refine their designs, ensuring that trucks could handle specialized loads while maintaining the comfort and safety of drivers. The diesel engine continued to dominate, but manufacturers began experimenting with more powerful engine configurations, improved fuel injection systems, and better emission control systems. This period also saw the introduction of air conditioning in trucks, which improved driver comfort during long hauls, especially in warmer climates. The focus on safety became more pronounced in the 1980s and 1990s. Electronic stability control, traction control, and other advanced safety features began to be integrated into trucks, helping prevent accidents caused by loss of control or poor weather conditions. In addition, the trucking industry began adopting more stringent environmental standards, pushing manufacturers to design cleaner, more fuel-efficient trucks. Modern era of heavy-duty American trucks. The 21st century ushered in an era of rapid technological advancements for American heavy-duty trucks. The integration of technology not only improved truck performance but also created more efficient, safer, and environmentally friendly vehicles. Today's trucks are equipped with advanced GPS navigation systems, real-time telematics, and autonomous driving technology that enable truckers and fleet owners to optimize their routes and improve fuel efficiency. Emissions regulations introduced in the 2000s led to the development of cleaner diesel engines and alternative fuel trucks. In response to environmental concerns, manufacturers began introducing hybrid and electric-powered trucks. Companies like Tesla, Freightliner, and Nikola have pushed forward with electric and hydrogen-powered models that promise to reduce emissions and lower operating costs over the long term. One of the biggest technological changes in recent years is the incorporation of autonomous or self-driving technology. Many major truck manufacturers, including Volvo and Daimler, are testing self-driving trucks, which could revolutionize the industry by reducing the need for human drivers and minimizing human error. These trucks are equipped with sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence systems that can navigate highways and city streets autonomously, further improving safety and efficiency. Safety features have also been significantly enhanced. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are now common, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and collision warning systems. These technologies have contributed to a significant decrease in accidents involving large trucks. The global influence and the role of competition in the past few decades. The globalization of the trucking industry has become increasingly important. Manufacturers from Europe and Asia, such as Volvo, Scania, and Mercedes-Benz, have entered the U.S. market, creating more competition and driving American manufacturers to innovate. These foreign companies have brought new technologies, such as more fuel-efficient engines, improved safety systems, and advanced telematics, which have pushed U.S. manufacturers to improve their designs and features. American manufacturers, including Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge, now face competition not only from international companies but also from startups focused on electric trucks and sustainable technologies. Companies like Rivian and Tesla are reshaping the future of trucking with zero-emission vehicles, challenging traditional manufacturers to rethink their approach to truck design and manufacturing. The rise of e-commerce has also had a profound effect on the trucking industry. The increased demand for faster deliveries, particularly for smaller goods and parcels, has led to the growth of the last-mile delivery sector. While traditional long-haul trucking continues to thrive, short-haul trucking has become equally important, requiring new types of trucks suited for local delivery and urban transportation. Heavy-duty American trucks have come a long way, from their early beginnings as simple, modified cars to the technologically advanced and highly efficient machines we rely on today. Their development has mirrored the growth of the American economy and the ever-changing needs of the global supply chain. From the Big Three to the latest innovations in electric and autonomous trucks, the future of American trucking looks bright. With a focus on safety, efficiency, and sustainability, these trucks will continue to shape the way goods are moved for decades to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.